DJN TV.
BUA Group purchased 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine for Nigeria. My Betalicious person there, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they always give you the breaking and the better news there, where they share them for inside our country, Nigeria, and even the world at large. The matter what we carry console, it concern COVID, where be the coalition against COVID-19 for Nigeria, and the top industrial firm BUA Group when they accuse the COVID group say that they cause mischief and that they spread false information. No be small akamuka don happen for this coalition against COVID-19 group since the purchase of 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine. The thing don cause division among the leaders for the Nigerian private sectors, and e don bring many allegations of lie and insincerity among the top players dem for dis COVID group. BUA Group wey dey react to one statement by COVID, di Sun say dem no pay through COVID for 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine for Nigeria through the Afreximbank. BUA tok say e dey very shocked to hear tok say the coalition against COVID-19 dey describe the payment as petty. E never too tey when BUA announced tok say through the Afrexim vaccine program and in partnership with COVID, dem don buy 1 million vaccine doses for dis COVID-19, and dem dey expect the delivery of dis vaccine within the next 1 week for Nigeria. And dem tok say the vaccine e dey certified for global use, and since dem purchase dis 1 million doses of the vaccine, dem pay in full for the vaccine and as such, as soon as the vaccine dey available, dem go make am available to the frontline workers for Nigeria wey dey commit their life to the management of dis pandemic. Na wetin BUA founder Abdulsamad Rabiu tok, but COVID don come out and tok say dis way BUA Group dey tok na lie o. Dem just dey tok their own to gain public face and fame and all of that. But after short later the announcement, COVID come tok say na lie. BUA no purchase any 1 million COVID-19 vaccine single-handedly for Nigeria. Say no individual company for Nigeria get the capacity to strike that kind deal at all. Say wetin BUA dey tok say dey do am by themselves. Say na lie dem dey lie o. Say COVID na dey tasked with the pulling together of private resources to assist Nigerians and the government during this COVID-19 pandemic. COVID also tok say Alhaji Abdulsamad must not misquote wetin the claims wey e tok, as COVID dey operate on wetin dem dey call a fund contribution model. That's to say COVID no be one company get am, na different companies dey under COVID, and na CBN na dey control the money wey dem dey contribute. E say BUA, COVID and Afreximbank dem no make any agreement to buy any vaccine at all. E say during the COVID weekly call wey dem get with the governor of Central Bank, Governor Emefiele, e say the governor of Central Bank come tell all of them for the big group about the call wey e hold with Alhaji Aliko Dangote and Herbert Wigwe, wey be the Afreximbank president, on Sunday the 7th of February. And he said the president Orama briefed the three COVID leaders on the $2 billion facility wey the bank don set up with the African Union Vaccine Task Force to purchase vaccines for the African continent. He said the allocation for Nigeria na 42 million doses of this vaccine. President Orama explained say the 1 million doses wey don dey ready to for shipment to Nigeria, e go dey for Nigeria within the next 2 weeks if dem go fit make payment by February 8th. Na wetin e tok. Kakovi come tok say the leadership come agree say all of them go contribute $100 million to procure dis vaccines for Nigeria, and the 1 million doses wey Afreximbank Bank dey talk about, so e dey worth $3.4 million for the first set. Well, BUA management don come outside come tok say dem dey shocked say Kakovi dey deny say BUA na pay the $3.45 million for the first shipment of the 1 million doses of the vaccine. BUA dey tok say na dem single-handedly pay for dis vaccine o. Say dem don even provide the document of how the payment dem take make am. E say dem dey aware say one particular member of dis coalition against COVID-19, Kakovi, no dey happy say BUA take the initiative to pay for the vaccine, but BUA no gree tok the name of the person wey dey do all dis akamuka work so. But dem tok say say BUA and Dangote Group dem don dey get clash for a very long time now, based on say the two groups dem get almost the same kind of product. Dem get cement, dem dey get flour, dem get spaghetti, dem get different sugar. So dem be real rivals for Nigeria when it comes to the production of all dis agro-allied food and all of that. The company come accuse Kakovi of trying to scatter the plan to secure the vaccine by disowning the arrangement because say Kakovi no fit take up the initiative as at when due. The BUA group don come outside come still tok say dis thing wey Kakovi dey do so, e dey surprise dem o. Say because dem dey find dis release of by Kakovi to dey very petty, and e say the thing don dey cause serious problem among corporate citizens, and say the thing as e dey be like dis so, e go fit cause better akamuka between the members of the Nigerian society. Say dis one no be time for politics o. Say dis na time for us to come together to help Nigerians, and e no matter who dey help or who dey pay, as long as dem dey do wetin dey necessary to save the lives of Nigeria. BUA group reply Kakovi say make dem no play politics with the lives of Nigerians. E say dem don purchase the 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine, and dem don make payment through the Afreximbank platform, and hopefully by the next week or two the vaccines go arrive Nigeria. E say after ex ten sive deliberation, no agreement was reached, and despite the fact say the members bin offer the members opportunity to donate the money, say nobody donate money. As such, na BUA group come take am upon theirself to say okay, make we pay for dis 1 million doses at the rate of $3.45 per dose, and the thing come translate to $3.45 million, wey be about 1.31 billion naira. The chairman of BUA group don also request through the governor of Central Bank to say make dem pay the naira equivalent to the relevant account with the Central Bank of Nigeria. The CBN come forward the dollar payment to Afreximbank on Kakovi behalf. Say dis payment wey dem do so, dem make am immediately after that their meeting wey dem hold out Sunday so, and BUA group come transfer the money give CBN in order for them to fit meet the deadline. BUA group dem fit even provide their payment slip dem wey dem take make the money 3 times to CBN. BUA group tok say dem go continue to dey support Nigerian COVID-19 response despite the fact say Kakovi dey call dis their action petty. E say we stand ready to keep supporting and making sure that we make money available for the purchase of these vaccines. We go remember say Nigeria get plans to vaccinate as much as 50% of their population for dis year 2021 as soon as the first batches of the vaccine go arrive the country. Nigeria dey expected to receive an initial of 16 million doses of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine through the Vaccines Global Facility (COVAX) by the end of February. Now the matter dey for ground now be say Kakovi dey tok say no be BUA group pay for dis first 1 million doses wey dey come. While BUA group dey present their receipt wey dem take pay, their teller, the transfer details, say Dem na make payment for dis first 1 million doses. How you see dis matter? Dem suppose to dey argue dis kind thing. Dem don come together as group. As pipo no fit come together, as dem no quickly fit bring the money, so one person come talk say, okay, make I bring the money come. No be better thing the person do. E reach for dem to dey quarrel the person. Abi you feel say na because say BUA group and Dangote group dey get small clash, chook mouth for the matter. May you still tell us how you reason dis thing. Dis vaccination wey government say dem wan do so, we know say the Nigerian government no get enough money to fit take buy the vaccine. Na make dem come together to form dis coalition against COVID-19, so that group e dey comprised of big companies all over Nigeria wey go fit come together to put their resources together to say, okay, make we help Nigerians by helping to purchase the vaccines wey government don say they go vaccinate the first 50% of the population. You say comment for the matter, how you see am? Well, don't forget that this na still DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel, your news plug, where they give you all the better gist them as it dey happen for our country and around the world. I beg, if you never subscribe, make you don't forget to touch that subscribe button for there. And then that will be like bell when you still use your hand to touch and too. Make it so that anytime we drop news, you sef go be among the first people that we go know. And I beg, in case you never dey follow us all our social media platforms there and our handles, I beg you don't forget say we dey for Twitter, we dey for Instagram, and we dey for Facebook. Just type DJM TV News. You go see us for there. We also get our website too, where we dey drop all the videos there 247. We need to stop non-stop. We dey drop her like that. I beg until we come your way again. Also forget say this na still DJM TV Daily News Update. And me when they read you this news, so my name still remain Lauro Favor for DJM TV Daily News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.